Hey guys, welcome to Pure Maths channel, and in today's class we're going to look at how to solve this exponential equation. It says that we should find the value of y in 1 over y equals to 27 to the power of y. So in doing this, let's quickly write down our solution. So we have our solution here, and let's write down the question, which is 1 over y equals to 27 to the power of y. So in doing this, the first thing you need to do is to eliminate this power y so that we'll have a very simplified problem to work with. Because if you don't eliminate the power y, you'll be stuck when you're trying to solve your problem. So in eliminating power y, we'll multiply both sides by the multiplicative inverse of power y. What I'm saying is that we'll multiply both sides, that is the left and right hand side, by the inverse of power y, that is 1 over y multiplied by the inverse of power y, which is 1 over y. And also do the similar thing to the right hand side by multiplying 27 to the power of y by 1 over y. So remember, if you look at the right hand side, we can apply the law of indices, which says that when you have a similar number inside the bracket and it's being multiplied by inverse outside the bracket, they will cancel out. So what I'm saying here is that if you have y multiplying 1 over y, okay, and let's make this over 1, of course you see that this y will cancel out this y, so we'll be left with nothing. So we can say that y will cancel out y, so we are left with nothing on the right hand side of the equation. So we can write down our problem as 1 over y multiplied by 1 over y, and this will give us just 27 on the right hand side of the equation. So looking at this, we can further simplify by saying 1 over y multiplied by 1 over y is equals to 3 to the power of 3. Why? Because we know that 3 times 3 times 3 will give us 27. Okay, so 3 to the power of 3 is the same thing as 27. So that is clear. Now the next thing we need to do is to compare. Okay, we compare the base and the power. Now if you compare the base, we realize that 1 over y and 3 are equal, because we are saying that 1 over y is equals to 3. Okay, and similar thing we apply to the power. 1 over y will also be equals to 3 here. So we can just pick out one of the 1 over y since they are similar. Okay, so let's write this down. Therefore, what we are having here is that 1 over y is equals to 3. Okay, so the next thing we are looking for is y, since we are asked to find the value of y, not 1 over y. The next thing we are looking for is y. So we'll just make this over 1 and then cross multiply. When you cross multiply, you just be having y times 3, that will give us, okay, this implies that y times 3 will give us 3y, and this will be equals to 1 times 1, which will give us 1 here. So since we are looking for y, we divide by the coefficient, which is 3. So we are dividing with 3 here. So our y is equals to 1 over 3.